Welcome to Beautyistic, where we explore beauty products that make a difference. Today we're talking about the Hot Tools Pro Artist White Gold Digital Curling Iron, a sleek styling tool that promises to give you perfect curls with every use. With a 1-inch barrel and innovative titanium technology, it's designed for those who crave versatility and performance. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The Hot Tools Pro Artist White Gold Digital Curling Iron features white gold titanium technology, a fancy name, but what does it actually do? Well, titanium is known for its durability and heat conductivity, which means it helps distribute heat evenly and efficiently, protecting your hair from damage while adding shine and smoothness. The 1-inch barrel is perfect for creating everything from natural waves to more defined curls, making it an ideal tool for various hair types and styles. What really stands out here is the digital multi-heat setting feature. The LED display makes it easy to adjust the temperature right before your eyes, ensuring you can tailor the heat to your hair's needs. With a quick 30-second heat up time, you won't be left waiting around, which is great for those busy mornings when time is of the essence. And with dual voltage, you can take this iron with you anywhere. Whether you're traveling or just need a reliable tool at home, using the curling iron was surprisingly smooth. The slim, ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold, and it's light enough to handle with ease, even for longer styling sessions. I didn't experience any wrist fatigue, which is a major plus for a tool I expected to be a bit heavy due to the titanium technology. The heat settings are easy to adjust with just a touch, and I was able to quickly find the perfect temperature to achieve both soft waves and tighter curls. Now, let's talk about performance. The curls hold well throughout the day, and I noticed less frizz compared to other irons I've used. The titanium coating definitely makes a difference in terms of smoothness and shine. However, while I love the results, I did find that the barrel could be a bit tricky to use on shorter hair if you're looking for tighter curls. It works beautifully for medium to long hair though. In terms of value, this curling iron is on the higher end of the price scale, but considering its performance and advanced features, I believe it's worth the investment for anyone serious about their styling tools. The titanium technology alone adds a level of protection that could prolong the life of your hair, which is definitely a bonus. If you're on a budget or just looking for a more affordable option, there are other curling irons that perform similarly but at a lower price point. That being said, the Hot Tools Pro Artist Iron's build quality and results do set it apart, especially for those who style frequently or want to invest in a high-quality tool. The design is top-notch. It's not only easy to use, but also visually appealing, adding a touch of elegance to your beauty arsenal. The materials feel sturdy, and the overall build quality is exceptional. The 30-second heat-up time and dual voltage feature are also huge pluses, offering practicality and convenience. In terms of longevity, I've had no issues with the iron losing its effectiveness or showing signs of wear, which speaks to its build quality. The titanium barrel continues to perform as expected, even after several uses, and I appreciate the consistent results I've been getting. If I had to interact with customer service, I can tell you that Hot Tools has a strong reputation for being responsive and helpful. Their customer service is known for resolving issues quickly, and the brand's overall reputation in the beauty community is solid. At this point, I can confidently say this curling iron has earned its place in my collection. It's reliable, easy to use, and delivers beautiful results every time. If you're looking for a tool that gives you control, precision, and versatility, the Hot Tools Pro Artist White Gold Digital Curling Iron is a solid choice. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, it'll meet your needs and exceed expectations. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.